Imagine a simple shift in your eating habits that could unlock incredible health benefits, from shedding stubborn pounds to boosting your brain power and even extending your lifespan. Welcome to the world of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't just a trend, it's a powerful approach to health and nutrition, gaining significant traction globally. This isn't about what you eat, but when. It's an eating pattern that cycles between focused periods of eating and restful periods of fasting, allowing your body to naturally reset and optimize its metabolic health. During fasting, your body doesn't just rest, it enters a profound state of repair and rejuvenation, focusing on cellular cleanup and renewal. One popular method is the 16-8 approach. You fast for 16 hours, typically overnight and morning, and enjoy your meals within an 8-hour window. Another common method is the 5-2, where you eat normally for 5 days a week, and on 2 non-consecutive days, you significantly restrict your calorie intake. The science is clear. Fasting enhances metabolism, improves insulin sensitivity, and supercharges your body's fat-burning capabilities. The most prominent benefit: significant weight loss and effective fat burning. Your body shifts from burning glucose to efficiently tapping into stored fat for energy. Beyond physical changes, many report enhanced mental clarity, sharper focus, and sustained energy levels, making you feel more productive throughout the day. The long-term impact is even more profound. A reduced risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and even certain cancers, promoting true longevity. To maximize results, smart meal planning is crucial. Focus on nutrient-dense, whole foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats during your eating windows. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water and integrate regular exercise. It significantly boosts fat loss and metabolic function. Finally, never underestimate the power of quality sleep. Adequate rest is essential for recovery, hormonal balance, and overall well-being. Challenges like hunger or social situations are common. Combat hunger with water, tea, or coffee, and communicate your goals to loved ones for social flexibility. Intermittent fasting offers a powerful path to improved health. Apply these tips, stay committed, and unlock your best self. Like, subscribe, and share for more.